Hey guys, Kal here. Well, Canada Day is coming up in just a few weeks, and I thought it'd be a great time to do another giveaway featuring one of Canada's amazing artists. I was talking to Chris and Mary Troniak recently of Highland Springs Soap Company, and they are generously donating a shaving soap set. So the lucky winner will get their choice of one of either Havana Vieja, Mystic, Kootenay Blue, or Barbershop. Now, that'll be the soap plus the aftershave, and that'll be shipped directly from beautiful Cranbrook, BC, Canada. Now, out of my own pocket, I'll also buy and add to the giveaway a puck of their Kootenay Pink. Now, in order to participate in this, you need to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, a resident of Canada or continental US, and you also need to put down "I'm in" a comment section down below in this video. And the draw is going to take place this coming Canada Day, July 1st, 2019 at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. That'll be through Random Name Picker, and I will post that. If you'd like more information about Highland Springs Soap Company, you can go directly to their website at highlandspringssoap.ca, and they're also being carried by therazorcompany.com. If you want to check out some great reviews, I've reviewed at least 2 of their soap sets. You can check out Distorted Edge Shaving, Yost to Coast, the SaskShaver, the Shaving Tulsin, Rudd's Shaves, amongst others that have done some great reviews, and I'll post links to some of those here. So anyway, guys, I hope you'll participate. Thanks for the support you guys have given me over the last several months, and we'll hold our draw in just a few weeks on July 1st, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So good luck, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.